there is a night video of this Minka Aire concept too. I did a day video and you've seen spin down, so I'm not going to do a spin down. So here's the remote right here, starting with low. Not much careful with the remote. Well, sometimes when fans in the museum don't respond, so sometimes we play it 5 times. Well, the one out there, well, there's Minka Aire concept 2, West, that has a bad receiver. That's about low. My granddadfather likes his fans a little slow. He says slow all the time. It's about low. Here's medium. This one's the good capacitor. This is light dim. I was wrong. Oh, you can see some backlights. Well, maybe the dimming function didn't like me in the daytime last year. It's much faster than mine. Here's high. It's really powerful. It blows a ton of air. Here's reverse. I'm gonna do a quick video in reverse and then turn it back off. Then off. Light off. That is it. That's the Minka Aire Concept 2 nighttime video. Thanks for watching.